Welcome to Chance LEGO and Brick Builds. Today I'll be showing you how to build your very own Starburst vending machine. This is what the base should look like when you first started with it. So you want a 19 by 5 base plate, which when you take this part off should look a bit like this. And you also want a 5 by 5 base too, which you can snap on here later. For the mechanism, you want to make one set of gears that looks a bit like this with 2 bush pieces at the end, where then you want to put Technic bricks that very specifically have to look like this. So after, all you have to do is put it in a good order and simply snap them on. Now next, you want to do the same thing on the end as shown here, but this time you want a 7 stud long axle with 2 bush pieces and 1 stud gap at the end with a gear. You want to put it in with the longer side of the axle just here as you put your thing through the Technic bricks. After you do that, you want to build this tread system with 37 tread pieces. After you've done that, you want to stick this through the bottom, and it will be a bit fiddly, but you should be able to get them connected. Just like that. After you've done the conveyor belt, you want to add 2 slopes here and a little box here. That is optional though. You also want to build up a wall which looks a bit like this. So you want to connect to like something like this, but also have another 1 by 1 here, 1 by 4, 1 by 3, and a 1 by 2, which you stack right here. After you've done that, you can move on from there and you can start building up the walls. For the first wall, you want some clear panels which look like these, but are kind of delicate, so be careful with them. You want to snap them on in a way where there is a 1 by 2 sticking out and 19 studs long. And you also want them to fit in the dimensions that you've built in, which is a bit hard, which I can easily tell you. But it shouldn't really be any problem for you guys, hopefully. And as you can see, it's actually really fiddly, so you really do want to be careful. So after you've done the front wall, you also have to do the back wall, which isn't that fiddly as the front wall. So you want to build something 19 studs long with a little 1 by 1 gap and a 1 by 4 sticking out, which you just snap on here. Now that you've done the base and the walls, you also want 2 clutch gears where you put on just here, and I really would suggest holding your finger on the other Technic brick, so then the axle just slips through like that. So after you put your 2 gears in, you want to build a 5x19 roof, which is 2 bricks high. Now you just put that on here. And you are ready to go, officially. Well, not exactly officially, but now you have one more step to do. A part which actually makes it easier to put your sweets in. So you want a 4x4 plate as a base, 4 2x4 bricks stacked up, and a few tiles, 2 1x2s on both sides, and 2 2x4 tiles here. Now, to put it in, you just have to put it in like that. And when you put your sweets in, it blocks them. So, but it might fall down, but still okay. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you liked it, please consider liking, subscribing, and sharing. I'll quickly show you a last time how this works. First, you load up your sweets and also put the barrier in. Take the barrier out and give it a spin. Bye! I hope you have fun building this